posso bem sou. Não cessa do fim de semana.
Charging your MacBook with a charger that is not the Apple charger will not ruin your laptop or your tablet. Both of these chargers work off of the USB-C power delivery standard. And whether I'm using a 65-watt charger or a 67-watt charger, the computer, whatever computer it is, whether it's a MacBook or a regular computer, is only gonna pull as much wattage as it's capable of. So yes, I could use a 30-watt charger. That just means my laptop is gonna charge slower. Or I could use a 100-watt charger, and that means my laptop will charge faster. Whether the electrons come out of this USB-C port or this USB-C port, it will not ruin your warranty. And some of you even point